So here's how to fix AMD Radeon software not opening on Windows 11. So first what you want to do is open the task manager, and then in here you want to search for AMD and make sure you close or end task any instances running or processes running of AMD. Next you can close this. Next you want to right click on the Windows logo, click on run, and in here we want to type percentage local update %, and then press OK. And in this folder we want to look for AMD folder and then double click on it, and if you see a CN folder in here all uppercase, you can right click on it and then click delete to delete that folder, and then you can close this. Now you want to right click on your AMD app or AMD software exe and then run it as admin, and that should solve the problem. But if you still have the issue, what you can do is open the task manager again and search for Epic Games. Now if you have the Epic Games launcher running while trying to start AMD, sometimes it can cause problems, so make sure to end task or close any Epic Games launcher running instances before doing so, and then you can try to launch your AMD software again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.